Welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. I do all sorts of unboxings, clothing, jewelry, lifestyle, so welcome. And if you are first-time viewers, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as I would love to have you, and hit the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. If you're returning to my channel, thank you so much for your loyalty. I am doing Causebox today. I don't know when I got it. I want to say I've had this for quite a while because I think it was back in December. That's a little bit how far behind I am. So I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm enjoying the weather. I know some of you, my kids live in Chicago, they wake up to 0 and 1 degree in the morning, so they're not really happy. So I apologize if any of you have that type of weather. So Causebox is a quarterly subscription. I'm going to say it's $49.99, but as always, I will leave a link for a coupon code below and how much the box cost. So you open it up. It's kind of heavy. And it's got the little newsletter. It's got everything that's in the box and a little bit about the founder, because Causebox does donate to different organizations, which is one of the reasons that I keep getting this box. And you open it up, and the first thing on the top looks beautiful. And of course I'm dropping these little things all over like I always do. And this is a woven poncho. I have to open this up and try this on. The colors are just beautiful. Of course, I never bring the scissors outside with me, so I'll have to rip into it like I rip into my boxes. But look at those colors. And it is so soft. I wish you guys can feel it through the phone. I'm trying to open it. It says it's a poncho, but it looks more just like a wrap. Let's see. Oh, there we go. I'm onto something. I don't know. Okay, I went to upload the video and I realized I was missing half the footage. So unfortunately, I had to refilm the items on the box. You saw the shawl that I got. So now I'm going to move forward with the rest of the items. So sorry about that. What else they included in this box is 3 sheets of wrapping paper. They've got the different styles. So we got some wrapping paper, which is always nice to keep around. The next item is the Crescent wireless earbuds. And I think I might have gotten these in another box, and so I'm not going to take them out because I think I already have a set. So I'll either put this on my Mercari website or I'll do it as a giveaway. And the next thing is a postcard with their same theme. The artwork is by Claire Ritchie. So that's nice. And look at this daily planner. It's a 2019 planner, January through December. It includes daily calendars, monthly calendars, year at a glance, note pages, goal tracking, and a sticker sheet. if you guys watch my videos, I bought the nice Erin Condren calendar. It's got the stickers. It's a big, thick book, and I'm loving it. So I will not be keeping this calendar. Again, I'll either put it on a giveaway. Let me know if you would like to see this as a giveaway item, or I can put it on my Mercari website. The next thing, and I'm just making a total mess, is the jade roller. And I've seen these in others, and I've always wanted one. So this I'm definitely going to keep and try it out. Then we have some Clyde Detox Spearmint Floral. It's a facial steam. So what you do is you put hot water in a bowl and pour some of this in there, wrap a towel around your head, and just kind of stick your face in it. So I haven't tried it yet, but I am definitely going to try this, and I'll let you know how it works. That's a nice little item. And I think the last thing in the box is these boomy, I don't know, it's like upside down earrings. You got a choice of either the earrings or the necklace. So I got the earrings. I think they just picked them out for me. I don't think I actually chose. And these are real nice. Now, Causebox doesn't put prices, retail prices on their items. We just know that it's well worth the box. So there was the Bluetooth headphones, the earrings, the jade roller, and I'm not sure what this one, oh, and the nice shawl that I had, and the planner, and the tea for your face, and what was the seventh item? I think it was the postcard with the wrapping paper. So it's a very nice box. As I said, they do spread the profits, and I will leave the link with the coupon code if you'd like to get Causebox. I think they're quarterly, so I think it's definitely well worth it. I'm also going to link for Mercari. For those of you that are not familiar with it, it's kind of like Poshmark. It's a selling site where you can sell clothes, jewelry, beauty products. So I will leave a code, and you can actually get a $10 credit once you start using it. So as always, you guys have an awesome day, and thank you so much for your patience with this video.